Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find your IFSC code that you need to use in Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay account that you want on your mobile phone. So go ahead and open up the application, and after opening up the application, you will see the main page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account, or if you do not have one already guys, go ahead and sign up for a new one. So after logging in, now you will be greeted by this home page right here where you can see all the options that you can access, such as set up tap to pay, you can send or request money, track spending, and so on. So guys, basically you will need that code that you're looking for when adding a new bank or credit card to your account. So if you go ahead and click on your profile picture right here in the upper right corner, click on that, and after clicking the icon guys, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu that you will see with all the menu options that you can access. As you can see your money in Google Pay, you can see your wallet options, you can invite friends, and so on. And guys, if you click on the settings option that says linked accounts and payment methods, you will be able to add a new credit card or bank account, and you will need that code to be able to do that. So guys, all you need to do to be able to find that code is just exit out of the application, and you want to go ahead and open up your Internet Explorer and search for what is my IFSC. So this is what you want, and the first result is to search for every code bank in India, and there you'll be able to find what bank you're using, and that is going to be the code that you're going to enter. So just find your bank and the code that goes along with that bank, and you'll be able to enter it and use it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.